Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market and what are the logic behind our analysis. Starting with Nifty 50. On the last trading session, the Nifty 50 opened around the price of 16,382 and made a high of 16,509 and closed around the price of 16,450, which is 68 points higher from the opening price. And on the last trading session, the FII sold for 2,287 crores and DI bought for 119 crores. So let us see, the Nifty 50 was in a sideways around the price of 15,600 to 15,950 for past some weeks and made a breakout and made a new high of 16,350, and then after that gave a breakout and made a high of 16,700. And on the last two trading sessions, the market fall from 16,700 to 16,400, which is 300 points lower. So on the last trading session, it formed a kind of triple top pattern. So triple top pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. So we could be looking for a trade once when the market opens flat around the last trading session's closing price, which is around 16,400 and 16,420, and closes with a bearish candle in a 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. We could go for a sell, and our first target will be our next support, which is around 16,360, and our next target will be 16,260. And we could only go for a buy once when the market crosses above this resistance area, which is around 16,500. We could only go for a buy when the market started moving up and sustains above 16,500. We could be going for further buying on Nifty 50. Now let us look into Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank also in between the price range of 34,960 and 35,250. And once in the market opens tomorrow flat around the price of 35,000 and 35,075 and closes with a bearish candle, if that candle sustains below 34,960, you could go for a sell, and your next target will be the 34,750. And once in the market makes halt over this region and crosses below 34,680 price level, you could go for further selling for the next support, which is around 34,500. So these will be the targets on the selling side for Bank Nifty. You could go for a buy once when the market crosses above 35,190, or just consider as 35,200. You could go for a buy once when the market crosses above 35,200. You could see that here could form a double bottom pattern once when crosses above 35,200. So it will be a good opportunity for buying with minimum stop loss. So once when it happened, you could go for a buy, and our targets will be 35,300 and 35,500 on buying side. Our next stock is Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank is almost near its support area. Once in the market opens around the price of 1,704 and crosses above and sustains in a bullish candle, you could go for a buy, and your targets will be 1,720. And once when the market sustains above 1,720 and 1,725 level, you could go for a buy once it breaks out the 1,725 level, and our next target will be the gap filling area, which is 1,746. And once when the market crosses below the last trading session's low, which is around 1,697, you could go for a sell with minimum stop loss with 1:2 risk reward ratio, because we could see that our next target will be closer around 1,676. Our next stock is HDFC. So HDFC is almost near the resistance area, and it is forming a kind of head and shoulder pattern in 1 hour time frame. I have converted into 15 minutes time frame. So once when the market opens flat around the last trading session's closing price, which is around 2,712 and 2,706, and closes with a bearish candle, you could go for a sell, and your targets will be 2,685, and our next target will be 2650 on the selling side. We could only go for a buy once when the market crosses above 2737 and sustains above it. You could go for a buy, and our targets will be the previous high, which is 2768. Our next stock is ICICI Bank, and ICICI Bank is almost near the support area, and it is forming a double bottom pattern. So once when the double bottom pattern gets breakout above the price of 683, you would go for a buy, and your target will be 688 on the buying side. And once the market crosses below the day's low, which is around 676, you could go for a sell, and your target will be 671 on the selling side. Our next stock is Tech Mahindra. Yeah, before getting into Tech Mahindra, we'll be looking into Nifty IT. So this is Nifty IT. Here we could see that the market has reached a high of 33,840, and on the last two trading sessions it made a low. So this green candle is the last trading session. It started with a very huge gap down and just recovered. So once when the market opens tomorrow, we could go for a sell once when the market crosses above 33,250 level. So just look into this Nifty IT chart. Similarly, our stocks of TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra and ACL, like these four stocks are IT stocks. All those stocks are forming a kind of same chart pattern. So let me explain in Nifty IT stocks. So once when the market opens flat and closes below the last candle's low in a bearish candle, you could go for a sell, and your target will be next support, and you could go for a buy once when the market crosses above this resistance area. So almost all those four stocks are making a same pattern. You could just copy this pattern to those four stocks. So once when the market crosses below the last candle's low, you could go for a sell and go for a buy once when the market crosses above this resistance. You could see that here TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra and ACL Tech, all these four stocks in 15 minutes time frame, all these stocks are forming a same kind of pattern. So we could expect a good momentum on the IT stocks on the upcoming week. So this is all the analysis for tomorrow's market. Hope you have liked the video. Now this chart analysis have been shared in my Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link has been given in the description. You could join our Telegram channel and use the chart analysis for your future references. And have a happy trading tomorrow. Thank you.